I am Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and I love bath products, I love cleaning products, all of those things. Of course, I love clothes. Today we are checking out this toilet brush and holder from Amazon. Thought it looked great. So I wanted something with, like, you know, the sturdy kind of bristles and a long handle, because I certainly don't want to get in there too close to the toilet. So I thought this one sounded great. So we've got the plastic holder, which looks like it's nicely fits. We have the bristles are actually very sturdy bristles, which I like, because that's the only way to get things super duper cleaned. They look like they're like in there really good. They're not going to break off. It's got a nice long handle on it, so you don't have to get too close to that. And look at this cute little compact design. It's not taking up a lot of space in the bathroom, which I liked. I picked the white and the little round handle, which makes it easy to use. So I don't know, I think this one's a hit, definitely.